Hello guys, myself Amrita. Welcome back to our channel Technosage, and in this video we will be solving problem number 1980, that is find unique binary string. So let's first understand the problem. Given an array of string nums containing n unique binary strings, each of length n, return a binary string of length n that doesn't appear in the nums. So in the example you can see one nums array which has string 0, 1, 1, 0. So we have to find one more string which doesn't exist in this particular array. So the output is 1, 1. If there are multiple answers, you may return any of them. So let's understand how we are going to solve the problem. So we have a string array having elements 0, 1 and 1, 0, right? So we have to find one binary string of same length. That means it should have two elements, but that shouldn't exist in this particular string array. So it could be 1, 1 or it could be 0, 0, right? So these two are the correct answers. We can return any of them. So we will take one string builder and we will append the result to the string builder, right? So what we are going to do to find this result, we will flip one bit of each string. So this is your first string. If I flip first bit of first string, that would be 1. Right? So now move on to the next string. So move the next bit. So next bit is 0. So you can flip 0 to 1. So this will be your output. Right? So why this is working? Because you have flipped one bit of each string. So it can never be equal to any of these strings. So you can directly find the output. Right? Let's take one more example. So we'll take this example. It has inputs 1, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Important thing to note here is that we have one restriction here, that nums at I dot length is equal to n. That means if we have 3 strings, that means length is 3, then each element also going to be of length 3. That's why this logic is working fine. So now what will be the first bit? 1, right? So we are going to flip to 0. Take the next bit of second element, 1. Flip it to 0. Now take the third bit of the third element, that is 1. So 0. So 0, 0, 0 is your output. It doesn't match any of these strings. Right? I hope you understood this approach. Now let's write the solution for it. This is our class find unique binary string. Let's write the method. That would be public static, and it is going to return the string find unique string, right? And the input is your string array. So firstly, what is your n? N is your nums dot length. We will take one string builder to store the output, which is new string builder. And then we will write our loop, which will start from the 0th index till the length I plus plus. And then what we are going to do, we are going to check nums at I dot char at I. If it is equals to 0, we are going to make it 1. That means we are going to append 1. Else we are going to append 0. Right? And at the end, we will return string builder to string. Right? Now let's go back to our main function. Let's take the strings array nums, which has strings 0, 0 and 0, 1. Let's write our print statement, system.out.println, find unique string and nums array. Right? Let's run the program and see the output. So you can see here we have got the output as 1, 0, which is a correct output. Let's test the other examples as well. So we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 100, let's say. Let's run it. So we have got the output as 011, which doesn't exist in this particular array. Now let's test it in the Leetcode as well. So let's run the program. So it is accepted and runtime is 0 milliseconds. So you can submit the code. It is submitted successfully. I hope you understood the solution. If you have any questions, any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.